GoPro's not going to really catch this. So I'm going to take a video of their progress. Yanticaw Park. Watch the dirt that you ride over. There's a lot of rocks and stuff here. The progress. Oh, it looks like it's going to be up high. Oh, all those swings on this side. Swings used to be on the other side. Probably one of the most things I didn't really ever have enough of swings. I love swings. That's what it looks like. Here's the build. Okay, come on. What is it? Wow, they gotta clean up, man. They gotta do what they gotta do. That's what it is. Looking good. Looking good. See that trestle over there next. It's gonna be till December. It's gonna make so much crazy traffic. No idea why they're doing that trestle now. Well, I can figure that somebody looked at it structurally and figured out that it's down. That's a trestle over there. They're gonna knock that all down. Pretty cool going uphill one-handed. So that's it. It was May 5th, 2018. I think the coming spring 2018. I think they're kind of late, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know. It doesn't look like it's coming. I think that ain't gonna come till summer. Knocking it down over here too, this whole trestle. See how much traffic is here now when this trestle is closed all summer long? Got the marks, their main face bar. This right here, they're gonna take this all down, this whole piece of road. Most likely because of the height of it, that means all the way back here. Build a whole new trestle. Call it the bridge. I call it a trestle. I don't know. Is it a bridge? Trestle? What is it?